Did my flower just fall out? Hello friends, work from home Veronika here on my lunch break. I have a THREDUP Funbox sitting outside on my front porch, and we're gonna go ahead and grab that and film an unboxing, and we'll see what's in there. We're gonna do this outside just to try new things and for various other reasons. So come along with me. We're gonna open this box. We're gonna see what we get, if Funboxes from Pennsylvania are still holding up, or if they're just a complete waste of money at this point, which I fear might be the case, but we'll see. So let's go. Okay, so I hope you guys can hear me. I'm outside and I needed to grab some scissors because this box is actually taped really well. So, fun fact, this is actually going to be a collab with Kristeen from Kristeen. She does a lot of sales and auctions on her channel, and she told me... Did my flower just fall out? Thought this would work, but I guess not. And she told me she actually has THREDUP boxes sitting around from over a year, so I imagine she just has like a wall of THREDUP boxes and she just randomly picks one. So that should be interesting. So it's going to be me, her, and then also Janet and Brynne from Happy Hour Haulers. They are known for their THREDUP addiction, and he also scored a fun box this week. So we're gonna collab, the three of us, and see who got a decent box, who got the best box. My neighbors just started mowing the lawn, I guess? No, it's a car. Never mind. Anyway, I'm gonna be eaten by mosquitoes out here in about 2 seconds, so we're gonna try and make this quick, and I really do hope that you guys can hear me. Alright, got it opened. This one came from Pennsylvania. I think I mentioned that. Part of the reason why we're opening this outside is because I've been hearing some chatter about certain THREDUP boxes coming with some unexpected guests in the form of... I will not say it on my channel because I do not want to... speak that into existence in my house, but I also don't want these creatures in my house, so we're gonna unbox it and just play it safe on this one, see what's in there. There's construction going on, and apparently these people don't take a lunch break, so I hope you guys can hear me. If not, I'll have to do a voiceover, I guess. Okay, we're starting with some allergic reaction, apparently. Leopard print. Looks like a robe. Alright, it's Victoria's Secret. I don't know if you can see the embroidery. Really?
A few moments later.
This is what I get for filming outside leaf blowers, which are the bane of my existence. Anyway, robe. Victoria's Secret. Here you go. It's a size medium to large. It's not new, I don't think, but it looks like it's in good shape, so definitely going to steam and list that. Then we have, ooh, animal stuff always sells. I've said this before. It's by the brand Blue Q Bags, and it's a cat and dog little makeup pouch, I believe. Okay, can't say that on my channel, but here you go. Here you go. Redacted. Okay, so that's cute. I don't know if that goes for anything. Okay, the flower is coming out apparently. I don't know if that goes for anything, but I will probably list it if it does. If not, I'll keep it for myself. Okay, I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is, but I'm guessing it's some sort of supportive gear. It's by the brand Top Melon. It has like Velcro straps and everything. I don't know, but this is the logo. I will research that and let you guys know on the screen. Also think I have to hurry up because people apparently decided today's the day to mow their lawns and blow their leaves, so it's lovely. Alright, we got some J. Crew trouser socks in a nice little checkered plaid situation. These retail for 20 bucks. Don't know if I can get much for these by themselves, but I might just lot them up with other socks I got throughout this year from THREDUP. Okay, we got the Fluid Project. Gender-free fashion, join the movement. That's interesting. So it has a Nordstrom tag on it, retailed for 24 bucks. And it is a kind of like a watercolor tie-dye little canvas tote bag. That's pretty cute. It's new with tags, so maybe I'll try and sell it, but if not, I'll totally keep that for myself too. Love also the mission behind it. Okay, this says You'll Be Missed, made with love. It's like a little bracelet with a ladybug on it in silver. Not sure if I can get anything for this. I might lot this up with other like fashion jewelry that I have. We have underwear, I believe. For what underwear? A bra? Not sure. It just says 46 all over, so I'm gonna take that one out. Yep, definitely a bra with no brand whatsoever. It just says size 46. So floral, buttons in the front. Interesting. Have to do some research on that, but might just list it as unbranded. I mean, it's new, so that's good. Ooh, okay, I got a household item, which was not very properly packed, but it didn't break, so that's good. It's like an Easter tray. It's heavy. It says Rosanna, made in China. Don't know if this is anything great or good, but I might just paint over the Easter eggs and just use it myself, because this is not really my aesthetic, but I can make it my aesthetic, so we'll see. Okay, we got a dolphin, and I'm kind of scared to open it up, but oh, okay. I was worried it was gonna be like an adult toy or something, because you never know. But it is a little dolphin necklace. It's kind of cute. I don't know what this retails for. I don't know what the brand is. It just says 6+ for the age, so guessing like a kid's, you know, little cute necklace for a little girl. Might just lot that up with the bracelet. It's not really the same color, but who cares? Okay, and then the last item, I believe. No bugs so far, by the way. Last item, we got the cozy socks. These are by Mucklucks, which I love, so they might be mine because they were shea butter, but we'll see. They do have the non-slip stuff at the bottom. They're like a mint green and gray and brown, so good fall winter color. Love these. So overall, not the worst box. There's a bunch of stuff in here where I have no idea if it would sell and how much it would sell for, so we're gonna find out. But let's count real quick. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 if I counted right. I'm very distracted by the great outdoors and also by mosquitoes coming for me already. But we got 11 items for I think $40 after shipping and all of that good stuff. Maybe it's 38. I forgot. I'll have to see. I think shipping is like $6 on this, and unless you're like a super duper important THREDUP superstar, I'm still in that tier where I get free shipping, but it's after $50, I think, not after 25. So, or 29, or for anything, I don't know, honestly. You would think I was already in the highest tier for THREDUP, but I'm not. So we'll see if I'm there by the time this video airs, because, you know, ordered this box obviously. But I think this was pretty decent. I think the robe is probably gonna do well, and then maybe 1 or 2 of the other pieces, so I would hope I can make my money back and then hopefully a profit. But it was definitely not the most amazing box I've ever unboxed from THREDUP, and especially not from Pennsylvania, so there's that. I've been trying to not jump on these boxes when they come out. With this one, it was almost like a reflex. I saw the text from Janet, and actually 5 minutes or so had passed, and I'm like, they're probably gonna be gone. And I was really looking for an activewear brand box, but they didn't have that one, so I just ordered a Funbox. And yeah, I don't regret it with this one, but also it's not a super duper great money maker, and this one at least was fun though. So I hope Kristeen and Janet and Brynne have amazing boxes, of course. Let us know in the comments down below what you thought about this one, what you thought about theirs. Head over to their channels, obviously they're linked in the description down below, and I will see you guys soon with another reseller related video. Until then, cheers!